Let's learn about our body parts. Hair, head, eyes, nose, ears, cheek, mouth, teeth, tongue, chin, neck, shoulder, chest, arms, hands, finger, stomach, legs, knees, toes, hair, head, nose, eyes, cheek, ears, teeth, mouth, tongue, chin, neck, shoulder, chest, arms, hands, finger, knees, toes.